Hi guys, welcome back to the Orange Counter with me, PSI. Today we're making my simple chicken pepper soup, a recipe I learned from my sister. She always makes it for me anytime I feel sick and it works every time. So without much talk, let's get started. So we're going to start by adding our washed chicken into a saucepan and then go in with our blended mix, which is the ginger, garlic, onions, and a little rosemary. The rosemary is optional. You can choose to add it to it or not. So this actually forms the soup base and gives the chicken a rich flavor as it steams. Next, we are adding some salt and chicken stock cube. Cover that and let it start cooking while we sort out our fresh ingredients, our tomatoes, onions, and peppers. And once everything is washed, I just drop them right into the pot to boil until they're nice and soft. Now, you can boil your vegetables separately if you prefer, but I like everything in one pot because I want all the nutrients and all the flavor to stay together while the chicken steams. So this is basically a one pot soup. Really, really simple. Once they are soft, I carefully take them out so they don't mash in the soup. And I'm going to go ahead and then blend that off camera and set that aside. While that's blending, I add some tomato paste to the chicken, give it a good stir, cover it and let it cook for some few minutes. After letting the tomato paste cook with the chicken for a few minutes, it's now time to add the blended mix. I pour it in, give everything a good stir, then rinse the blender with a little water and add that in as well. I mean, we need all that flavor, we need everything. Yes, we need it all. So we're not leaving anything behind. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and delicious recipes like this. So here I added a little bit of salt, give it a good stir, cover it up and let it cook. Then I go in with some fresh pepper. I crush it lightly and add it straight in for extra heat. I mean, this is pepper soup, so we need all that heat. But this is optional. You can choose to add it or not. But I prefer to add it. I give it a quick stir and then let it boil for a little longer. So now our soup is ready. Just look at that. Just look at it. You can already tell it's going to taste amazing, which it does. Had mine with banku today, but it goes beautifully with fufu too. The banku wasn't bad at all, but if I had to choose, I'd recommend fufu any day. That's my favorite. You guys really have to try this. It tastes amazing. Everything just comes together so well. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.